Namaste. My name is Madhav Rathod. I am the founder of Indian Bucket List. Year 2020. What a dramatic year we are facing and going through. What has changed since 24th of March when lockdown was announced, particularly for travel industry, everything came to complete halt. 1 करोड़ लोग jobs खो चुके हैं. We were adding 5% to the GDP of the country. 13% of our population, working population, was employed tourism industry में. Hotels नहीं चल रहा है, visas नहीं issue हो रहा है, flights are not operating as they should, normal कहीं भी normal नहीं है. And this is when I conceived the idea of Indian Bucket List. To showcase India in light it deserves. In terms of monument, lifestyle, culture, art, textile, wildlife, all of it. What was happening and what I learned over the years, that travelers who were coming to India, or the domestic or international, it doesn't matter, they were going from city to city. And most of the time of their travel, they spend either staying at the hotel or visiting the monuments. What was missing was the lifestyle and culture and the real essence of India. And that's where I decided to buy this motorcycle, Royal Enfield Himalayan, which has 411cc engine. या मोटरसाइकिल इन वास्ते ली मैं कि जटे मोटरसाइकिल जा सके बटे कार नहीं जा सके. So that I can go to places which are off the beaten track and लोग देख सके हमारे देश की संस्कृति, पहरावो, खानो, arts, culture, all aspects of India. So we will be making 35-minute videos of each destination, showcasing a destination at a time, stories, anecdotes. And during the ride, my total ride is about 4,000 kilometers, 48 days. And maybe there will be addition to the list. I'm going to travel across the western part of the country, starting from Jaipur, going all the way up to Hampi, and then taking a U-turn from Goa, and then Maharaj Shivaji's forts दिखाना है, Palitana दिखाना है, Nasik दिखाना है, the cave temples of Aurangabad, the Ajanta and Ellora, and then make my way through Rajasthan and the beautiful sand dunes, its landscape. I will be talking about all aspects, not only just monuments. And this is my mission, to interview the people of India, to showcase the arts of India, wildlife of India, and that is my mission, and that is what Indian Bucket List is all about. When the time gets tougher, the tougher gets going. And that is what I have learnt in my life. And to help the travel industry and also to serve my mother India in my own way, I have come up with this idea of Indian Bucket List. And I hope I will get good support from all of you so that this mission can continue, so that I can sustain this mission to showcase India in the light it deserves. Thank you very much. Namaskar.